to the Seawall Inspection by SeaMeDive for Green Coastal Engineering, showing seawall in Deerfield, Hillsboro, showing fractured panels, batter piles that are severed, T-piles that are completely dislodged and fractured. There's about 60 feet of this, almost 70 feet of this very heavy damage right next to a boat lift that also seems to have been pushed by the seawall. Looking at you can see the T-pile here, how it moved and completely separated from the wall. The panel shows damage and the batter piles are fractured heavily here as well. Try and give you some underwater shots. It was very rainy, so the water is really murky. Going up and down the T-pile. See a heavy corrosion. Again, all the T-piles are completely failed, and very extensive damage on the panels. Right here, you can see on the top of the panel right here. There's some very heavy, completely severed, and there's also vertical cracks coming from it. And again, the batter piles are completely severed. So this part of the seawall is highly unstable right now, and actually is in the process of failure. Make myself, direction is north right now. Kind of floating dock here. Again, you can see the T-pile and the batter pile, the extensive damage on it. And also this one, this is where the security gate is to get into the boat lift area. And showing the boat lift, you could actually see how the king piles of the boat lift have a lean on them, like they've been pushed outwards by the seawall. Going to the outside piling, outside king piles of the lift. They look to be in better condition. Depth of water is about 10 feet at the outer pile. They both seem to be relatively in good condition. There's the ladder. Again, also the galvanized spreader bars, they look to be in good condition. Nothing with the actual metal except the ladder. There's a little bit of, looks like it got some some skewness to it. Again, this section of the seawall is the one that has the heaviest damage and also doesn't show that, except the cap, nothing else was done to it. Return again to the king piles on the inside of the lift. I'll show down the lower part of the king pile. The lower part of the king pile looks to be in good condition. There's no spalling or cracking on it. It just looks like the whole pile, again, is being stressed outwards in the direction of the water. Going to the north, king pile of the lift. And shoot the lower areas. This inspection is conducted on the 26th of October 2020 in Hillsboro Beach, Florida, by SeaMeDive for Green Coastal Engineering. Thank you.